What are you doing? Cleaning the altar. What's wrong with it? It's contaminated. Oh, what's in the bottle? Blood. Bill, I have so many questions. So, after the flood, God said, don't eat meat with its blood because that's its life. Yeah, and Leviticus 17 says 4 times the life of a creature is its blood. Okay, I get it. Blood equals life. That's why Leviticus calls it lifeblood. Okay, but how could life clean anything unless it's been contaminated by, death? Yes, the life of an unblemished animal removes the effects of death. So a coating of lifeblood cleanses it from contaminants like sin, death, and impurity. Lifeblood sounds like a powerful cleanser. Death doesn't stand a chance.